Come on. Oh yes. Oh yes. For the second time. Second time.
Hello?
Hello? We are going to Nepal.
Gentlemen, we have landed at Kathmandu International Airport.
Kathmandu. Hey, how you doing? Today is actually our third day here. So we're gonna visit all the stupas and all the temples today. So this is my friend. Introduce yourself.
My name is Elle.
You seen her in the Chiang Mai vlogs. Yeah.
Okay, now go. Let's go.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're living in a hostel, 2 separate beds.
Pardon my messy room. My bed, sorry.
What is this? Look at mine.
Hey.
So yesterday we spent the whole entire day exploring Nepal, or maybe just Tamil in general. We bought our permits for the trek in 3 or 2 days. What else we do yesterday?
We actually walked 5 rounds around the area just to find our stuff, which we have no idea what it is.
Yeah, because on the streets of Tamil, everywhere it is like for trekking things. Maybe I'm walking the wrong way. Yeah, basically everything is littered along the streets of Tamil. Can probably get anything you want here.
If you're wondering, if you want to get stuff here, make sure you ask shop to shop and do not just settle for one shop.
So we are going to the bar square. It's a temple, so let's check it out. Thank you.
Sleeves are very valuable because of, you see, what is the look like shape of
Hot.
heart, right? And have you ever seen Buddhist stupa?
Stupa, yeah.
If you see stupa, the shape of
The top of the
stupa,
stupa,
yeah,
yeah.
dome star. So that this leaves is very valuable. So that this called, because Lord Buddha, he's meditate under this tree and he get enlightenment from this tree. And a lot of several gods, they can and participate to be a goddess. And we have an astrologer and check your structure complete.
Physics, yeah.
She must have a 32 divine gift qualities like good eyes, good ears, good teeth, good hair. Everything will be perfect to be a goddess. Inside the temple, we have a test room. Okay, so you stay inside the test room, and inside the various demon masks, we try to make it scary. Yeah. And if she's screaming, cry, scare, she cannot be goddess.
So after she's not a goddess, she can't get married?
She can marry.
She can get married?
She can
Okay.
after she back to normal.
Okay. So at what age do they bring in,
To
become the goddess?
to become a goddess, 3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years.
This is the recent one.
Was this all from earthquake?
This is by earthquake, yeah. As
Yeah.
you said, all whole complex are damaged by earthquake.
Yeah.
2015 in Nepal, you might know, we have a terrible earthquake. At that time, we have a 18,000 people are injured and 9,000 people are died.
So the earthquake happens for 3 months, is it?
After earthquake, we have after shock until 6 months.
Wow.
This is terrible. You know?
So you feel it every day?
Every day, and we sometimes we stay outside for 3 months, and later on we start to go home and stay room, and then often and then we all are on, you know. we pay one guest for 10,000 rupees.
It's a lot.
$100.
So we just left Durbar Square. When you paid, your entry fee is about 1,000. It's 1,000 rupees. So after you pay it, there will be a guide waiting for you there. It's up to you to either take them or not. So we decided to take them because we want to learn.
More
I guess,
regarding
yeah.
the temple itself.
So I think it's a good thing that you have a guide, because you're just randomly walking into a temple without any knowledge of it. So I recommend hiring a guide. So obviously you have to tip them. So it's up to you to hire one or not. So now we are done. Get some food and we head to hungry as fuck. And then going to a stupa that's 20 minutes away from here. I heard it's pretty dope over there, so let's check it out. But we gotta find food first, right? We are hungry. How far is the stupa? 30 minutes. Depends on the truck. Here we are at the Buddha stupa. Oh, prayer wheels. See, it's a huge monument up there. Get your prayers on.